Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. I hope you all are fine. Students, as you all know that we had started our chapter number 3 in our last lecture, and I told you about the input, process and output. So students, let's have a quick recap on it. When we give some instructions or commands to the computer, it's called input. And after that, when you start working on that input, that working will be known as the processing. And finally, when you get the result of your input, that would be known as your output. Now today I will tell you about the names of the devices we use inside the input. We use as the input. Students, if we want to give any command or instructions to the computer, then we definitely need some devices for it. Like keyboard, we called it keyboard as an input device because it helps us to write on the computer. Students, keyboard holds some different types of keys like alphabetical, numbers, arrow keys, etc. These keys help us to give command in different forms. Secondly, mouse. We use mouse to point out or to have an access on different subjects like files, folders, and that are mentioned on the screen of the computer. You can also use the mouse to draw pictures and sometimes to play games. Third one is scanner. Students, scanner is the machine which helps you to make the soft copy of your hard copy in the form of picture. You can directly insert your work or any picture in the computer by putting the hard copy in paper form on the screen of scanner. I hope you understand the devices of input, that how they work on it. Okay, now let's move towards the copy work, students. Okay, now student, let's start your work. First write down the date at the top, 11 September 2020. Then from the first line you have to start writing down your question number 3 because we have already done our question number 1 and question number 2. Now write down question number 3. Mention the names of the following 3 types of devices. You have to write down the names of the devices. The devices are answer, input devices. In input devices, I already told you that we have keyboard, mouse and scanner. Now come to the output devices. Monitor, printer, speaker are the output devices. Storage devices, hard disk, CD, USB are the storage devices. Okay, now turn your page. Okay, now students, in your last question number 4, first you have to write down the date, 11 September 2020. After question number 3, you have to turn the page and write down question number 4 on the new page. Okay, I am reading it. Question number 4. Make a flow chart of computer process with example. You have to make the flow chart of the computer process. Okay, so you have to write down answer over here, but you cannot make a flow chart on the lining paper, so that's why you have to move to the blank paper like this. Okay, in front of lining paper you have your blank paper. Now draw the flow chart like this. Okay, now students, what you have to do to make a flow chart? Now first make the first box of input because this is our first step. Now second step is your process, so make the arrow towards the process because this is your second step. Then make the second arrow towards the output because this is our last step, that is third step of output. you have to make 3 steps like this. These are the main basic process of the computer. Now just to relate with the simple example of daily life, I already told you about the oranges example of oranges, that as an input you are having oranges. Now you want the juice of the oranges, so you will use juicer machine to do the process. Now you have completed 2 steps. Now come for the final step. You use the juicer machine to take out the orange juice. Now finally as a output you got the orange juice. So oranges is your input, juicer machine is your process, and orange juice is your output. So write these 3 things like this, and for identifying it, make the arrow like this. Okay, now do this question number 4 like this in front of question number 4 on the blank page. Now after that write down second monthly completed, because up till here your work has been completed for second monthly. Now do your work in a neat and clean way, as I have told you. Okay, now take care. Allah Hafiz. Students, you have to do just little correction in your question number 2, that I have write it down before input devices in the heading. You have to erase the name of the devices from definition of input and output. You have to erase the word devices in front of it. Okay, आपको क्या करना है बेटा कि जो मैंने आपको हेडिंग्स लिखवाई थी, इनपुट डिवाइस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस, उसमें से डिवाइसेस की वर्ड को आपको इरेज कर देना है इन दोनों के सामने से. ओके, यू हैव टू डू दिस इन correction in your copy and send me the picture of this also. Okay, thank you.